So what is the laziest way to make money online right now? In order to be able to make money the laziest way online, it has to meet a few criteria. It has to allow you not to get on camera or be any kind of influencer. It has to allow you not to have to create products or create a course and manage all that goes into it. It must not have a huge upfront investment required, so you don't have to spend a bunch of money on ads or inventory. And the final criteria is that it must have a long shelf life. You guys might be saying, what do you mean by that? It simply means that you do the work once and it has the potential to pay you for years and years into the future. Now, I believe I've found the best lazy way to make money online that meets all of these criteria that I'll be sharing with you in today's video. And I'm sure you've probably seen a lot of other videos talking about this sort of thing, where they tell you to fill out online surveys, go out there, do jobs like being a transcriptionist or creating videos or pictures. And if you do this work once and you get paid, but then you have to keep doing it again and again in order to make money. And if you watch this video on my channel where I go over 9 online jobs, I'll show you a bunch of jobs where you can just do this, and that's totally fine. If you want to make money quickly, keep in mind that as soon as you stop doing that thing, that money also stops. So those are not the best lazy ways to make money online, in my opinion. So if you're watching this, my guess is that you like smart work, yes, more than hard work. And trust me, I am the same exact way. So let's get into the best lazy ways to make money online, which in my opinion is a high payout partner product with a high leverage traffic source. I mean, at this point you might be saying, what in the world did you just say? And what is that? It might sound complex, but this is actually the laziest way in my opinion. So let me go ahead and walk you through an overview of how to do this. Now, this step number 1 is to find an overlap, yes, with your interest and a market feasibility. And this is very simple. All you need to do is open up a Google document, write down literally everything that you are interested in, yes. And I recommend writing at least 20 things. And these can be hobbies, things that you read or watch for fun. I mean, literally anything that you're interested in. Then what you do is you take this list of 20 items and you compare it with what I'm about to show you on your screen right now. Feel free to pause this video right here if you need to compare your list to these things. And what you're going to do is, if there's an overlap between your list and the things that are shown you, all you need to do is simply delete any of the things from your list that are not related. At this point, you're probably saying, Mariam, why are you doing this to me? Trust me, this is all going to make sense at the end of the day, in just a moment. Step number 2 is to partner with a finished high payout product. Yes, what do I mean? It's actually a bunch of websites with online marketplace online. They give you access to essentially getting some of the money from the sales. Here is a list of websites that you might want to check out. Number 1 is store24.com. clickbank.com, and a couple of others that I'm going to show you specifically within this video. And in just a moment, when I show you an actual practical example of doing this, and I'm not just going to talk about this like a lot of videos that you may have seen, I'm actually going to show you step by step how to actually do this. You go to a website like store24.com, go to their marketplace, tap right here, and then click the category that relates most with the thing that you wrote down in step number 1. What you're going to do is look for a product that is charging at least $500. Yes, it is because if you take 50% of these products, you are making a minimum of $250. And if you get just one sale per day, that is way more than $100 per day. Yes, with this lazy method. So then you simply sign up for the website store24.com, then go ahead and just click promote. Yes, next to the products that you would like to promote, then it will give you this magic link right here, and I'll show you exactly what to do with the link. Full disclosure, I have a course. Yes, I also have a course on that, on how to actually scale and grow your YouTube channel. Yes, and as a matter of fact, if you're interested, you can just send me an email and we can talk about that. Now, as a side note, creating this course took me a lot of work, and it took me years of putting together, making this the best YouTube program on the planet, if you ask me. And I answer every single question, yes, if you're part of the inner caucus. And this is so important so that you can benefit from other people's work and just be lazy and make money from it. Because I mean, we've done all the homework for you prior to now. So I'll be using my course, but go ahead and feel free to choose any product that you want. Yes, if you also want to be an affiliate of my course, go ahead, we can work together. That is easy peasy. So yes, there are so many ways of going about this, but now that we have got our magic link, let me show you what to do with step number 3. So go ahead and follow my content traffic formula. The first part of the formula is formulating all your ideas. All you need to do is go to YouTube, search the category that you wrote down from step number 1, find the top 3 channels within that category and go to their most popular videos. You can do this by going to YouTube and there's a little button that says popular videos. Go ahead and click that video, write down their 10 most popular videos from each of those 3 channels. Yes, that gives you a total of 30 ideas. And at this point, this is the only step where we have to do a little bit more work. But trust me, it is way better than any other online job that is out there. I'm telling you. And that is because you can keep making money from this strategy, yes, for years into the future. And it is truly a lazy method as opposed to all other, those other methods where you have to keep doing the work over and over. And it has potential to keep making money for years down the line. Now, go to the video, the one you wrote down, open them up and then write them in your own words in a Google document. I personally like to be lazy. When I do that, I just watch them through at 2 times speed to get through as fast as I can. Make sure that you write it down in your own unique words, and you can also use a tool called the Escape to ensure that, it costs just a couple of cents per search. Also, feel free to use multiple videos as inspiration. Feel free to do research online. Take all the best parts from each video that you've written in your own words, put into your script, and I'll show you exactly what to do with this in just a second. And the reason why I recommend choosing something is that that you have interest in is that because maybe you'll know a thing or two on how to input some even additional value to give people in order to even have a bigger potential of making money. Then what you do next is you open up Google Slides, which is completely free of charge, which is included in Google Drive. Make a slideshow out of your script in order to make for you to make your slideshow look really good. I recommend adding pictures and icons. You can get all of that for free from Pexel or even Canva. Now, I also recommend a website. Yes, a website called Flat Icon. You can check pictures out on pixabay.com or, like I said, pexels.com. And then you can use a completely free screen recorder called OBS to record your screen as you talk and go through your slideshow. And even if you're too lazy to talk, you can hire someone for super, super cheap to do the voiceover for you. You can get someone from Fiverr.com. You can also get someone from Upwork.com. And all you need to do is upload these videos on YouTube, and then you can optimize them. Put a link to the products that you found, yes, that magic link within your description, and then pin it as a comment, yes, in your comment section. Now you have an asset that can potentially pay you for future. And here is a breakdown on how to potentially make $100 per day. I recommend doing a schedule of 3 videos per week. It might sound like a lot, but I know for a fact that you can do this. Record them all in a day, literally just 1 day per week doing this, and you can upload them, yes, and schedule them to go out. Guess what? After a year, you already have 144 videos on your channel. If each of those videos get 1,000 views per month, keep in mind, out of 100% of your views, if just 10% buys your product, guys, you will be smiling to the bank. I'm telling you, you're even going to make above $100 that we even said earlier. Yes, you can make way more than $100 in a day if you put all of these strategies into place. It is simple and straightforward. All you need to do is just follow the steps that I've shared with you step by step. Just follow it one by one. And guess what? You're going to be smiling to the bank just like me on a daily basis. I'm telling you, if the price of the program that you're promoting is like maybe $77,000 per month, and you get half of it by being an affiliate partner, you are smiling to the bank. That's obviously way more than $100 per day. I just want to show you what is potentially possible with doing this. If you keep up with this strategy, trust me, it is truly a lazy method, because once you do the work, you can potentially continue to get paid. Yes, I have assets and videos that I've uploaded way back since I started my channel. Yes, and they still pay me till this day. So imagine if you upload 144 videos, that automatically guarantees that you will make money. Yes, but like I said, I just wanted to show you what is possible in my opinion, is the best lazy way to make money. Now, here is a bonus that I have for you. Now, guys, like I said, I am doing a giveaway of $100. In fact, watching this video translates to making $100 potentially. All you need to do is join my Telegram community. Yes, find the link in the description as well as in the comments, and then go ahead and add 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. That's it. That is it, guys. You're on your way to making money from my channel. I mean, just by watching my videos. Just add 50 people. Come back to this video and let me know in the comment section. Let me know how many people you were successfully able to add, and of course, I will be seeing you guys in your email. I'll send you an email and I'll find out how I can, transfer the money to you, whether through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Tap, whatever money transfer, whatever it is that works for you. So guys, make sure that you turn on the notification bell for this channel. Introduce yourselves if you're new here, and let me know what you want to see more of on my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Till I see you guys in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl chances. Bye for now.